couple of days back, I was just coming from work and I decided to get down at Bandra to meet my husband, and we thought of going together. And eventually I ended up going to the Linking Road at Bandra, and I picked up a couple of stuffs. So if you guys don't know what Linking Road is, it's basically a street shopping destination in Mumbai. It's like one of the most famous street shopping destinations I know of. So yeah, I mean, we get like great stuffs there at like a bargain price, and we actually ended up going there towards their closing time, and we actually got some really nice deals. So if you guys want to know what I got from the Bandra Linking Road, then please keep on watching. So the first product I got from Linking Road is this shirt that I'm wearing right now. So this is like a black and red plaid shirt. It's more of a flannel than a shirt. It's like really slouchy and comfortable and loose and baggy, and it has this black and red sort of big chunky boxes, which I really like, and the material itself is like really soft, really comfortable. And you guys, I had actually seen a similar shirt at H&M, and that was priced at around 1250 rupees, but I got this only for 300 rupees, and I think this is such a bargain. The next time I'm going to Linking Road, I'm definitely gonna pick up like few more shirts like this in different colors, because I think these colors look so great during fall winter, and I am like really digging these colors and this flannel at the moment. Next up, I got this palazzo pants again from Linking Road. So there was a vendor that was selling this outside the road, like outside the street shopping destination, and it was again the closing time, and he gave me this for only 120 bucks. So this is like in this dark blue sort of a color, navy blue, and it has this very cool print at the bottom. And surprisingly guys, I do not own any palazzo pants, and this will be my first palazzo pants ever. I do feel that the material is a little sheer in this, and something has to be worn inside, but then I wasn't sure if I would be comfortable wearing palazzo pants outside, so I thought I will just buy one, give it a try. I would wear some slacks underneath, and if this works, then I might as well just invest in a nice and good quality palazzo pant. Now mind you guys, I actually had no intention of buying any clothes whatsoever. I just wanted to buy like 1 or 2 shoes for an everyday wear, and that was the sole reason I decided to go to Linking Road. But I think I've actually picked up a lot of stuff than just those 2 shoes. So next up, I got this blue color top, and this has this very beautiful colorful pom-poms, and this top actually was available in so many colors, and the pom-pom was looking so cute on all those colors. I particularly like the white one, the black one, and the blue one, but then since I already own a lot of black colored stuffs, I thought I should go for blue. So this is an off-shoulder top, if you guys are wondering, and it has this pom-pom on the sleeves as well, and I got this one for I believe 300 rupees. So next up, I also got 2 pajamas to wear every day, and both of them are like cotton pajamas. First up is this one. So this is this white color pajama with red heart prints on this, and how cute is this pajama, you guys? And I'm wearing the second one, so I will just insert a clip on the screen. It's like a pink one, and it has this very cute sandals drawn on it. I thought both these pajamas are so cute, so girly, so me, and hence I picked them up, and I'm so glad I did, because the quality of these stuffs are so good. I mean, I got these for like 150 odd again, but then they are like such a great quality. I actually bought pajamas from Linking Road earlier as well, and they turned out to be so good, hence I knew that I wouldn't regret buying these. So yeah, these are the 2 pajamas that I got. So apart from these pajamas, I also ended up buying a couple of jewelries and accessories for myself. First is this choker necklace. I got this for 120 rupees, and I actually was looking online on Coops for a similar choker, and they were so expensive. So yeah, this has this you know, the velvet strap, and this has this thinner strap, and it has this triangle. He had similar designs in like circle, square, and other designs as well, but then I really liked the triangle. And next up, I got this earring as well. So this is this flower earring, and it has a lot of diamonds in it, and I got this for 50 bucks. I also got this black colored necklace, which I think is so cool, and this, you guys, is priced at only 100 rupees. I've got a similar one in like a transparent crystal color, but unfortunately I couldn't find it right now. If I find it before I publish this video, then I would definitely insert a link to it. But yeah, this is the black necklace that I was talking about. So yeah, this is how the necklace looks like. I think for 100 rupees this is such a steal, and I cannot wait to wear this necklace already. So I also got 2 more earrings. Both are priced at 50 rupees each. First is this one. You must have seen this in my previous video as well. I really like such big tops. I think they look really nice on my face shape, and in particularly I really like this one. This has like such a nice and antique feel to it, and I somehow like really like this, and I think it looks really nice as well. And next I got this pretty flower earring. I think this is also such a beautiful, oh by the way, I think I got this for 30 bucks, not 50, but then this is such a cute pretty little earring. So you guys, coming to the stuffs that I actually wanted to buy from Linking Road. So I've got like 3 pair of shoes, and the first one is actually a little dirty because I wore it already. So first up is this a black and white loafers, and I actually own a similar one from Koos, and you guys, the quality is like completely identical. So I think I got that for rupees 500 odd because they had a discount going on, but this one is only for 250 bucks. Actually the first time I asked him, he quoted me like around 600 rupees. But since it was their closing time, he actually got down and I bargained a bit and I got it for 250 bucks. So the next shoes I got are these. So these are these like biscuit colored shoes, and I actually do not own anything in this color, and I thought this color is so nice. And these shoes are again very comfortable. I've worn the black one, they're like extremely comfortable, and these again are for 250 bucks, and I think these shoes for 250 bucks are absolutely worth the money. Even if I wear it for like 5 times, I wouldn't actually regret buying this. So yeah, these are the second one. So you guys, I actually saved the best product for the last, and these has to be like my favorite product amongst all these products that I've got, and they are these are so cute, you guys. So I've got this pink color slipper, and it has this Hello Kitty face on top. These slippers are like so soft, and I actually don't even feel like wearing them because they are so cute and adorable, you guys. Although they are not very durable, I can tell by just touching them that, you know, they're not going to last for a long time. But yeah, I thought these are so cute, and they actually had a lot of different colors and different cute little things on top. I actually wanted to pick them all, but then I thought one is enough for now. But yeah, I mean, these are so cute, you guys. And by the way, you guys, I got this for 150 bucks. So that's it, you guys. This completes my Linking Road haul video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye.